Module 4, Lesson 13, the graph of a linear equation in two variables. Two variables just means you have an x and a y. So graph, definition, I guess you'll say, of graph is a picture of every x, y pair that works in the equation. Now, are we going to come up with all those xy pairs? No, we're going to come up with 3, 4, 5. Sometimes we need more than that to get the shape, but for linear equations, we really only need about 3 points to double check ourselves to make sure we've got it. So here's our equation, x plus y equals 6. So we need an x value and a y value that add up to 6. Now this is one of the easier equations. You will get more complicated equations as you go. So two numbers that add up to 6. Well, 0 and 6 add up to 6. Where am I getting these x values? Anything, as long as you're putting them in here and they add up to 6. So let's say x is 2. Let's think about this. If x is 2, 2 plus 4 would have to be 6. And then I'm going to try a negative one, see if you guys can get this. Negative 3. If x is negative 3, what would I have to add to it to get a positive 6? Positive 9. If you add these two together, you get positive 6. So anyhow, let's plot these points then. 0, 6, 2, 4, and negative 3, 9 would be right there. When we draw the line, you'll see that they are in a nice, neat, straight line. And now every point that's on that line is going to work in this equation. So if I want some other points, maybe I'll come down here and get a point. Let's see, that looks like about 3, 3. Does 3, 3 work in this equation? Absolutely, it sure does. 3 plus 3 equals 6. And every other point that's on that line, if we figure out what the coordinate is, it will work in this equation. So this equation and this line have the same numbers that work in them, the same solutions.